All right. What are we doing here?
Oh, just make a little video on Darkside. Yeah. Just filming Darkside.
YouTube?
Could be, yeah.
All right, right. You might make it on our YouTube then, eh?
Oh, no, I'm going to be on.
Are you going to be on it, Ben?
I've got to have Van in to make sure we get some advertising.
You've got to watch him. He's on disability with a company car.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah.
Get him on the body one.
Get him on. Yeah, get him on.
Big trouble. Yeah, look at you do some good stuff here.
Yeah, we try to.
Is it just diesel tuning then?
Pretty much, yeah.
Nice,
Pretty much, yeah. But there's a few people renting units off us and stuff like that.
Oh, these are all your units?
Yeah.
Ah, right.
Yeah. We own all this, yeah.
Right, blimey, I didn't realise you owned it all.
I was going to try and pull a little trick on you.
Go on,
I wouldn't have done it. I was going to lock that gate and say, what are you going to do there? But no, I won't cause. I didn't want to cause no bother with it. Yeah, well, that's the thing, yeah. But how do you know it went on a timer?
Oh, yeah. I've been watching it. I'm close while I've been
Yeah. All right, you've done your research.
Oh, yes,
then.
I keep my eyes open. You've got to be wary all the way around.
Yeah.
Because my bike always gets attacked. I don't know why.
Oh, does it?
Everywhere I go.
Right.
When I get the negative ones, he always attack my bike. And I
do
I don't know why.
Your bike, what has he ever done wrong?
I know, poor thing. I always say, not my bike. But yeah, he's been attacked about 3 times.
Has it?
Bike.
Yeah, people don't like this sort of thing, really, do they? But I think
They don't understand, do they? So
it's.
Leggett and Placid, that over there. I've just been to them and they came out. You can't film our building.
Oh,
It's like, what?
no, but you know, if you're not allowed to do that, then what are police allowed to do to us? That's what I always think. You got to see both sides of it.
Yeah. Oh, I've been arrested all sorts. Yeah.
Have you?
Oh well, yeah. I went to one company. They came out massively abusive, right up to me into my face. I wanted to shove them back. They called the police and then said that I'd been pushing them. So police cuffed me, took me down to the cells. 9 hours in a cell because of false allegations.
That's the thing, but then it's just a waste of police time, then, isn't it?
So I'm in front of the body worn.
Yeah.
Then the police took me down for the interview and said, right, cameras, yeah, we've got my camera out and watched it. Oh yeah, okay, no further action. So I'm now doing them now. For,
yeah.
You know, because they're not getting away.
But you're not going there to cause it.
No,
I suppose you get more.
You get more views and for the negative stuff. So yeah, it's just a damn shame, isn't it, really?
So some places you'll have stab vest on and.
Well.
Yeah, have a look at solar.
Yeah, I'll do that. It's not a problem. Yeah, cool.
They've what, Rob? Yeah. Have a look. Make sure kids are not throwing bricks at the solar panels.
Oh, you got some solar panels
on back,
right.
Front end back.
One thing I always look for is like solar panels and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I do a little scoring thing at the end, and then.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, for positive interaction.
Right.
Good staff, that sort of thing.
Right. Well, I'll let you in at other gate as long as you're not going to accuse me of locking you in, because you'll be locked in until you're locked out. So if you want to come in yard, you can come in yard. You can do whatever. You do whatever you want to do. It's up to you.
Yeah,
it's up to you. Come on then, we'll take you in that way. That's it. Well. Do you want to get a thumbnail with your headlock though? Do you want to do that? Something like that. I'll do that if you want.
Yeah, we'll do
that. Shall we do it?
Definitely do that. Yeah.
Here, do it.
They're just not the police now. All right, mate. Yeah, carry on.
Yeah.
Some go to goad the police.
Yeah.
And try and get that reaction. Because they want to get the cuffs on, and then they go for the claim, you say.
Yeah.
Which is ridiculous, to be honest. So.
Yeah, I'll show you. There's a few bits that we don't want to go inside of. We don't really film inside of, but like this fabrication shop. This is a dyno.
I thought I said about it's a dyno.
Yeah.
The big extraction thing.
That's where race cars get worked on in office.
Oh, race cars as well.
Yeah, and then
diesel race cars.
Yeah. We won championship this year.
Oh right. Wow.
And then there's normal workshop in there, and then race car. That's race trailer there, and all that sort of stuff.
So what car is the race car then?
We've got 2 Audi TTs.
I've got a TT.
Have you? All right.
TTS.
This is dyno. This is where all immigrants live, innit? Scottish, Panamanian, Belgian, Greek. Some of them are legal. Yeah. We've got the full shebang in here, but it's there's a lot going on in here as well. But there's plenty happening. I don't think there's out in here that shouldn't be kicking them. Yeah, we'll probably not go in that one. We don't film much in there, like. But I've had him in headlock, Dan. Yeah, I've sorted it out. Yeah, because every now and again you get somebody who comes in and it's suspect. Yeah, so this is what. Yeah, there's a lot happening in here. We do turbo rebuilds up there.
Okay.
3D scanning and printing up there. Right. But yeah, there's stuff happening everywhere. We'll go round and back that one. Race car. Well, I'll show you race car. They're in bits, but one of them's at Autosport today. So, what's yours?
BP visits.
All right. How many you got on that then?
20, 25, 26,000.
All right, it's not too bad then.
It's so hard to grow on these things.
Yeah, yeah.
So you get that sort of video that takes off.
Yeah,
Then
yeah. The momentum keeps going then, doesn't it? Yeah, that's one that were our old car and we sold that. That's just had some bits done to it. And that's one of the TTs. It's a mess because truck's off for it's MOT, so all this is out of truck.
Okay.
And then that's just having a new engine in it. We've sold that now. That's an RS3 TCR. And then that's a single cab Amrock we imported from Australia with a V12 diesel engine in it. Yeah.
V12 diesel?
Yeah. So just
So what is it? Is these 2 litre?
2 litre, yeah. So these are like a Passat engine. Fiberglass. Yeah, we've got carbon, but that's not a carbon. But yeah, that's like 340 horsepower. That's a sequential gearbox in that one as well. So it's proper thing. Like I said, 340 horsepower from a 2 litre. It's probably the most horsepower per litre that's getting raced for. This did a 12. Well, the other car did a 12-hour race.
Are the standard turbos or?
No, big turbo,
Big
like
turbos,
a
right.
Audi S4 diesel.
Right.
It's all everything's custom. Like there's not much. The only thing that's standard is block and head, really.
It's cost a fortune as a Honda.
Yeah. But the other one we run on. Well, that's a 295 tyre that. But we run biodiesel for that 12-hour race. The truck and the car were on biodiesel, so that was pretty good. And next thing's bio oil. We're running on bio oil.
Okay.
So that's a new thing, but yeah.
Is that a lot cheaper then?
No, dearer. It's for virtue signalling, innit? Virtue signalling, I think that's the main thing. But oh yeah, there's a few. Yeah. There's a year's worth there. Oh, for 2 cars, hopefully. They'll just them tyres will be good for a 2-hour race, and they'll still be good for
Only
testing.
2 hours?
Yeah. The front ones.
So every 2 hours you've got to basically.
Yeah. But that's 2 hours of absolute death. So.
Right. Maybe what, 250 a shot or something?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah. Yeah.
Big tyres, yeah.
So yeah, but do whatever you need
Yeah,
to do anyway.
fantastic.
There's no big stress. If you see anybody nicking out, just
Yeah.
just give us a shout. But yeah, drop us a message when your video's going on, and we'll share it.
Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, fantastic.
We'll put it on.
Yeah.
If you want to know about all the cars that you've seen, go
Yep.
on YouTube, there's videos and all builds.
Oh, right,
racing, the lot.
Okay, fantastic. Yeah. Brilliant.
Katie's the media girl, so she'll.
Hello.
Yeah, I can see. Yeah, it's built. Yeah, so BP visits. Yeah.
Nice one.
Right, thanks for your time. All right, cheers, guys. Thank you. Thanks a lot.